for the dive in. So आपके जो sentence construction होगी उसके formula हैं subject followed by the word say, followed by that, again this can be an optional for that matter, followed by another subject and the verb comes and then verbs comes. However, when comes to the word tell, in that case you have a subject followed by the word tell, then indirect object is not an option, it should be there, followed by a that, followed by subject and then verb. So the only difference is say के बाद आपके पास कोई indirect object नहीं है, but when it comes to the word tell, then you should have an indirect object in your sentence. Tell can also be followed occasionally by a direct object. Now besides having an indirect object after the word tell, you may have a direct object as well after the word tell. Always use tell before the words these following nouns whether there is an indirect object or not. Regardless हमने जो आपको conditions बताई हैं कि to have an indirect object you should have a tell, or at times you may have a direct object and then you can use the word tell. But these list of nouns we have here, just pause your video here and make a list in sub nouns के साथ, regardless whether you have a direct or indirect object or not. Always write the word tell. Now what are these nouns? Tell is followed by the word a story, a joke, a secret, a lie, the truth and the time. For all these nouns, always have the word tell preceding these nouns. So just pause your video here and make a list of all these nouns. Look at the example. John told a story last night. Again the word told followed by the story. Again this is from the list of the nouns